What's up guys, my name is TechNobo here for TrtScr, and today I'll be showing you how to get your print screen button to open up the snipping tool. If you're not aware what the snipping tool is, it's this over here. By hitting new, dragging and dropping a selection, it'll take a screenshot of just that selection on your screen with whatever windows you have open. You can go ahead and save it and send the image file to someone, or you can go ahead and annotate on it and demonstrate something for someone. It's a pretty useful feature. Just say that you want to use the built-in Windows Snipping Tool whenever you hit the print screen button on your screen. Instead of pressing start, typing in snip, clicking on snipping tool, hitting new, etc, there's actually a pretty easy way of going around this. Simply press start and hit the settings icon. Head across to the ease of access tab over here, then across to the keyboard on the left hand side, and then scroll down to the bottom. Then you'll see the heading over here, print screen shortcut, and the subtitle, use the print screen button to open screen snipping. By hitting on and hitting the print screen button, you'll notice that it immediately opens like this, ready for a screenshot. If you want to cancel a screenshot, you can of course hit escape while you're dragging and dropping. But anyways, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. My name's been TechNobo here for TrtScr, and I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.